Hi, this is Go Ask Kit, and I'm going to show you a really cool hybrid mattress. It's a full-size mattress, 12 inches thick, and it's called a mattress in a box. It came from Walmart.com, and it's got a kind of a pillow top, soft foam top. It's got ultimate motion isolation, strong edge support, high bed mattress. And I thought I would first of all show you how it came delivered in the box. Yeah, a little bit roughed up, but not bad. Yeah, outside. So there we go. So in a little bit, we'll be opening that up and show you how it inflates itself. So hang on. Okay, so I cut it open, and look at this thing. Look at it, look at it unrolling itself. Whoa. See that? Whoa, baby. So, I think I've got it upside down, but I've got to get this, I got to get that last piece of plastic, and I can't do that while holding the camera, so hold up. Okay, so it hasn't even been 2 minutes. I cut that that plastic off and pulled it out. Laid the mattress right side up on the bed, and wow, you're supposed to let this thing inflate for a while, but it looks like about 85–90% inflated within 2 minutes. Man, that is really amazing. So I'll come back in a little while, and after it's inflated for a while, when it looks like it's ready to go, I'll lay on it and give you guys my opinion on what I think of this mattress. All right, we'll catch you in a little while. Okay, this hybrid mattress from Walmart, looking pretty good. And this is Go Ask Kit. If you have any questions, don't forget my channel, subscribe to it, and Go Ask Kit. So I'm going to let you experience this tryout for the first time with me here. So here I am, about to get on the bed. Okay, it feels as described. Yeah, medium firm. Got a nice, really cushy top, yet it feels very firm underneath. I think this is going to be a real killer mattress. It feels really good right now. So, don't forget me. Sign up. Click the like. Join the channel.